Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create a Sosthi day look. You guys have been requesting for day and night looks for Durga Poojo. So I have decided to create two looks for each day. Like day 1, which is Sosthi, I will be creating a day look and a night look. There will be 10 looks and 2 looks each day. So the day looks will be up by 9 AM and the night looks will be up by 10 PM. So stay tuned for my videos, and if you have any recommendations, do let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you will like this series of Durga Poojo 2018. I did a series in 2017 as well and you guys loved it, so I thought of doing this as well, and you guys have requested for day and night looks both, so that's why I'm doing this for you guys. So yeah, let's begin with this series and let's hope for the best. So let's start with the first day Sosthi day look. So as this is a day look, I'm starting up with my sunscreen. I'm using the VLCC sunscreen with SPF 50. Now after 5 minutes I'm using my primer. This is the T3 Pore Minimizer. As I am not going with a heavy foundation, I'm just going with a concealer. I'm using this, and for concealer I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, which is my shade, but it has a little bit of yellow undertone to it. Now I'm going to blend this with my Forever 21 makeup sponge. After blending this, I am going to set it with the LAKME powder foundation. This is Prime Plus Matte Powder Foundation and I'm in the shade Silky Golden. For blush, I'm taking this shade from the NYKAA Sweet Cheeks palette and I'm using this with my 306 brush from PAC Cosmetics. I am not going with any contour or bronzer, just the blusher. For my highlighter, I'm using both of the shades from the NYKAA highlighter duo in the shade Glitterati. Applying that on my highest points of my face. Now filling in my brows with the Sigma Brow Powder Duo. For my eye makeup, I will be using this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the Vault collection and I'm using the shade Armed and Gorgeous. First applying the shade Axis on my crease with a blending brush. Then I'm taking the shade Secure and applying that all over the shade Axis on my crease again. Now applying the shade Top Secret on my eyelids. This is a very pretty shade, you guys. I absolutely love this shade. Now taking the shade Smooth Criminal on my MAC 217 brush, I'm just blending out my crease so that there is no harsh lines. Now again going back and intensifying my eyelids with the shade Top Secret. Applying all the shades on my lower lash line one by one. To make my eyes look bigger, I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Nude Eyeliner Pencil. And lastly, applying the shade Guilt Trip on my inner corners of the eyes. Applying mascara on my top and bottom lashes. This is Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. And I went with the falsies. This is from Amazon. And lastly, for my lipstick, I'm going with this Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve. So guys, this is the day look for Sosthi. I went with the smoky eyes just because you guys know I really love smoky eyes, and this color will definitely rock at the daytime. Don't go for black smoky eyes, go for the browner ones because it looks really nice. And I have a lot of videos of brown smoky eyes and a smudge smoky eyeliners, so do check out those videos, it will help you for sure. You can wear this look at any day, anytime you want. I'm just sharing the videos with you guys. It's all up to you. Whenever you want you can wear these looks, and you can use whatever products you have at your home. You can also wear this look if you're going out on a date during Pujo, or you're going out with your friends for a lunch during Pujo, so it's all up to you. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please share this video and tell your friends about the series I am doing. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you again on my next video, which is tonight. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.